Hey everyone, it's Sia from Heal Love Now. I would like to show you my flower essence box. This is a beautiful box of flower essences, and it's from the Bach Flower Remedies set, and I just love it. So, the Bach Flower Remedy philosophy is based on a scientist called Edward Bach, who was an English doctor that realized a potent healing modality utilizing the essence and the vibrations of flowers. And so he compiled an entire remedy set based on different flowers and their vibrational healing properties. And I am just so deeply moved by this type of healing because it's so largely spiritual and almost intangible, but yet it has such a profound effect on the body, the mind, and the spirit. With the Bach flower remedies, you can actually make your own remedy utilizing the different flower essences and putting them together into a unique and personal formula. I have this great book called Heal Yourself Utilizing Flower Essences, and it goes into all the emotional disorders or imbalances that humans may experience and the flower that addresses it. So, like for instance, honeysuckle here, it says not wanting to grow up or move on, nostalgia, regrets, not excited about new opportunities, homesickness, flashbacks. And so when you use the honeysuckle and you go to your kit here, you put it in another container, and then you can start building a formula. So I built my own formulas here, and you can find them on my website. I have a Get Rich Quick formula, a Be Love Now formula, and a I Am Whole formula. But you can make it yourself with your kit, and I'll also include the kit in my Amazon store if you want to go right to it and purchase it. So basically, you would take the honeysuckle and you put a few drops inside your container, and then you continue to look through the book to see what other issues that resonate with you. For instance, wild rose is getting stuck in a boring routine, unable to tackle your chores, and procrastination. Giving up the instant any tiny obstacle gets in the way. No vitality or zest for life. And so you then go and you look in your kit and you find wild rose. And you take that and then you just add that to your formula. And you just put a few drops in. And you can do that up to 7 times. So you can research and find 7 flowers that resonate with an issue that you want to heal. Here we have cherry plum, feeling unable to control your temper or feelings, too impulsive, irrational thoughts, fear of doing certain things, lacking self control. If that resonates with you, you'd go to your kit and find cherry plum. And all the flowers are listed on the top here, which is very convenient. And then you put that in your formula. Just a few drops. And then once you get all the flowers essences that you want in your formula, you fill it up with filtered water, pure structured water. And I talk about how to make structured water in my other videos. And then you put a preservative in the container. It can be vegetable glycerin, which I love to use, just a tiny bit, or apple cider vinegar, or brandy, a pure alcohol. And you just put a tiny bit as a preservative. And there you have it. You can shake it up. I like to shake it up 111 times, 111, just to get all the constituents merged together. And then you can start taking it right under your tongue. 4 drops, 4 times a day. You're going to be amazed at the transformative effects of such a simple, almost intangible remedy. It is the idea of the smallest thing being the most powerful. What seems insignificant becoming the greatest catalyst for transformation. So, I have some other flower essences that I want to share with you from brands that I love. Lotus Way makes some incredible flower essences from wild, exotic flowers that are sourced all over the world. This one is called Wild Abundance, and it relates to prosperity, divine beauty, magic in everyday life. I love these. These are preserved with honey and they taste so good. This one is called Shower of Orchids and it relates to wisdom, knowingness, contribution. So you just take a little bit right under your tongue. And flower essences, you want to use one at a time. So if you find one that you hone in on, or you make one like I demonstrated to you, stick with that one for a month. Just use it exclusively so that the vibrational essence of those flowers can do their work. And then the next month, you can switch to another one. So, what I like to take it throughout the day, and then I'll have one that I use as a treat at times when I need something extra special to care for myself, to love myself, to treat myself. So, like the Lotus Way, I'll take a few drops of this one as like a special treat. And then I also, there's another brand that I just love. Where's that one? And it is a spray. So this one's called Cool Spray, and it's a mixture of flowers and gemstones. So it has that vibrational essence of moonstone, pink tourmaline. It has 24 karat gold essence. It has herbs like lemon and sage and geranium, and they're all in a sacred activated water with flower essences that are specially curated by Star Essence, the woman and the company that makes these. So I just like to spray. Ah, and I'm very sensitive and very intuitive and very my whole body is so discerning. Like I can just tell instantly when something's off if I meet someone or if I go to a certain place or just any kind of item. I can sense its energy and frequency. So with the flower essences, because of my nature, I can receive an instantaneous effect and transcendence from really high vibration, high quality flower essences. And Star Essence brand, oh my goodness, it just goes straight into my soul. And some other ones that I love, Freedom Flowers. They make the most incredible bioessences. This one is called New Year's Revelations, and it includes flower essences. And also, the company makes these frequency vibrational formulas. So it's not a flower per se, or an herb or a crystal, but it's the frequency of certain healing protocols. So, like if you have thyroid imbalance, there is a frequency that matches the healing of that imbalance. The Freedom Flowers takes that frequency, it's called a Rife frequency, I think, RIFE, and brings it into a vibrational essence and puts it into the formula. If you go on the website, you can get more explanation of how that works, but that's it in a nutshell. And so when you take it in, you get that frequency of the healing of that particular disorder. And I love it. I just think it's so profound and so revolutionary that we as humans can heal big things with simple solutions. All the extra, over the top invasiveness that is typically associated with healing or addressing sickness has a counterpart, and that is vibrational healing. And I love it. And I'm so happy to share it with you. Everything here will be in my Amazon store if it's available on Amazon. If not, I'll just give you the link to where you can get it. And also, I have these crystals here just to show you. And I keep them on my flower essence box so that the essence of the crystals can magnetize and enhance the vibrational essence of the flowers. I have some beautiful crystals here that I've collected over time. So I keep them on top of my flower essence box. It's such a great way to claim your own health and well-being, to simply and lovingly honor your body's natural tendency and ability to heal itself. So let me know if you have any questions. And I send you love and light on your flower essence journey. Peace, y'all, and see you next time.